Hello, in this video I would like to show you how to upgrade this 15-inch NEC screen from its own LED to our newer series called SB series. This SB series comes with one LED strip, one small driver. For this particular screen we have one special wire adapters. I'm going to show you. But before we do that, I would like to test the screen. And I have a driver which is for NEC. Here, this is the original driver. The backlight lamp was mounted here. The connectors. Oh, you meant to be a C. Right. So let me just connect it and show you what the problem is before why we need to. Okay, and then just connect to a tester. I'm going to see something first. This in. Make sure you can see it. Probably doesn't see it better. Hopefully. Power. You see it, right? So let's say, I'm not sure you notice this problem I see. If you're just using a this color bar, you may not see it. As long as you see one solid color background, you're gonna see it. See that? A little bit darker. So you see, it's always a little bit darker on that section. So what causing this? Because some of the LED is not lit up. I show you now. Okay. Alright, set aside. Take a look at this LED screen first. This screen is made by NEC, okay, 15-inch, NL10276BC30-34D. Okay, the backlight was here. It's just holding by one screw on this end. You unscrew it. Alright. Then after you unscrew, to pull out, there's a plastic clip. I'm not sure you can see or not. This one. Or maybe you see better like this side. Okay, you can like push up and pull out. Push outward. Okay, let me see. This is okay. Push this one, stick at this side. See that? Got it. I don't want to damage it. Okay, set the screen aside. I'm going to show you a LED because this kind of problem is going to you're going to see pretty often. Section though, that one section the LED is not lit up. So I can just use my tester to just fire up the LED. Okay. Yes. You see this LED? 1, 2. The two LEDs back. See? How are you going to repair this? Because it's going to be difficult. The reason, because what happens is that this LED, they mount it on a piece of special like a fiberglass really thin PCB, and they bang it on this cover. On this reflector. It's almost extremely difficult to take it out, and if you're not you try to replace the LED without taking it out, that's almost, I mean, it's doable, but it's almost quite impossible. So if that's the case, it's time to upgrade the LED to our SB, because it's not just, it's much brighter, and also it's much easier. Let's put it that way. We give you a driver, wire adapter. Basically, you just, after you mount the LED back to the NEC, basically this is the original inverter wire harness, LED wire harness. You just put it like that. That's it. Okay. So, but anyway, set that aside. Take a look at the screen. This one we can mount it here. Mount it back to original reflectors, or we might have to. I mean, you can stick it in like this. But that's not what I would recommend, because stick like that, right? Because you want to make sure the LED stick to this aluminum plate to spray the heat faster. So in that case, we have to disassembly the screen.